How to update your TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. If you want to update your application of TikTok to be able to get all the new features that have been added, you can easily do it through the Play Store or your App Store. If you have an Android device, you can open up Play Store. If you're using iOS, you can open up the App Store. Once you're here, you just search for TikTok and tap on that option. Once you're here, you just tap on the update button. If there is an update, you can just tap on update and the application will start to update. Now once the update is complete, you will have all of the latest feature which TikTok has to provide. So that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, subscribe and also give this video a like. That's all for today. I'll be seeing you guys in the next one.